It's a good idea to replace the water filter in your Samsung refrigerator every 6 months or every 500 gallons filtered. To replace your water filter, follow these directions. To remove the water filter, twist the filter to the left to unlock and pull down. Install the new filter by pushing it up into the housing and turning to the right. You'll know it's locked in place when the padlock symbol matches up with the arrow. If the water filter is difficult to remove, there may be water pressure built up. In this case, take out the 2 top shelves of the refrigerator so that you have enough room to pull down hard. After installing the new filter, be sure to press the water filter reset button to reset the filter indicator.